everyone, this is Yang and we have new airdrop for today's video. This is all about Dawn Internet. So Dawn or Decentralized Autonomous Wireless Networks is a protocol for providing decentralized broadband. This will create a user-powered wireless network for providing affordable home and business internet, a multi-gigabit speeds, thanks to advancements in wireless technology. So, guys, see Dawn, if you're familiar with Grass, Airdrop, or NodePay, this is same thing. So, you will earn points or tokens by using your internet. So, kung naka-open yung data nyo, mobile data, or even yung Wi-Fi ninyo, guys, you will be able to earn free tokens or points. So, what we need to do right now is open lang natin siya sa browser, but for this one, gagamitin natin si Kiwi browser, guys. So kung wala pa kayong Kiwi browser, you can also download from Play Store or Apple Store if you're using iPhone. So dito sa Play Store, i-search lang natin si Kiwi browser. Ayan, guys, si Kiwi browser. Yan, yung blue na logo. You will only need to install it, and then since I have installed it or downloaded it already, I will open Dawn Network, Dawn Internet dito sa Kiwi browser ko. The reason for this one, kasi sa Kiwi browser, pwede natin i-add yung extension and then mas mabilis talaga siya. So, yung may mga airdrop kasi na need na mag-download ng extension, si Kiwi or Mises browser talaga yung mostly na ginagamit natin kasi yan, mas madali. So, punta tayo sa Kiwi browser and then i-paste lang natin yung link. Don't worry guys, kasi I will include the link on the description box or maybe sa comment section para mas mabilis nyong mabuksan. Now, here, ayan, loading lang siya. So, what we're going to do here is i-add lang natin sa Chrome. Yan, add to Chrome natin si Dawn Validator extension. Now, dito naman sa 3 dots, para makita natin at makapag-sign up tayo ng account, i-click lang natin yung 3 dots and then sa baba, scroll down. Ayan, ito guys, si Dawn Validator. I-click lang natin yan. Yan, so para makapag-create tayo ng account. And then, click lang natin continue. Alright, so next, we need to sign up using our email address. So guys, make sure na yung email na ilalagay nyo dito ay active. Kasi syempre, once na i-need natin na i-verify yung account natin, mas mabilis natin mabuksan yung email address. So syempre, ilalagay na natin yung email address natin. And then guys, yung password naman, don't forget dapat yung password na ilalagay ninyo ay mabilis nyong makabisad. Ayan guys, so after nyong malagay yung password at email ninyo, ito naman next is yung code. Yung code sa baba, itatype lang natin yan dyan. Ayan, para ma-verify natin. Para ma-click natin yung register pala dito. Register, sorry. So, register tayo using our, syempre dapat yung yung account, yung real name ninyo kasi hindi natin sure kung magpapa-verify din siya ng ID natin. So, make sure na dapat yung real name ang ilalagay natin. And then, email address. Yan. Password, guys. And then, guys, sa referral code naman, ilalagay nyo lang yung ang code na nag-refer sa inyo. So, for me, ayan. Ito yung nag-refer sa akin. And then, dito naman yung 6 na, code dapat nating ilagay para ma-continue natin. 9. Ayan. Ay. And then, create natin account. Make sure guys, sana yung box dito is naka-check yung sa terms and condition nila para makapag-proceed tayo. Yan. So, i-save lang natin. Ayan guys, at dito naman sa email, kailangan lang natin i-verify. So, yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo na dapat active yung email na ilalagay ninyo para mabilis natin ma-verify if need nila na i-verify yung account. So, click lang natin to verify. Ayan. Ayan guys, wait lang tayo. Email verified successfully. So, please log in. Try na natin mag-log in guys dito sa Sa Kiwi browser pa rin tayo. Ayan guys, so account created, login. Ayan guys, so dapat tama yung code na ilalagay natin ha, para mabilis tayo makapag-login ng ating mga account. Oops! Ayan na guys, so nakalogin na ako, and then ito yung dashboard niya. Makikita nyo din dito guys kung gaano kalakas or kabilis yung wifi or internet na nyo. For me, ayan, 75% pa lang siya as of now. And then, dito naman I already have 7 points. Ayan guys. Oops, bumaba siya ng 40%. So, make sure guys na yung internet ninyo is dapat connected siya. Dapat ganitong nakalagay. Naka-green siya. And then, nakalagay connected para mag-earn siya ng points. Now guys, aside from that, we can also boost or gain additional points by just clicking this one or doing the special task. This is the special task that we have right now. So, click lang natin yung boost rewards. Ayan. So, follow us and earn rewards. Ito lang guys ang gagawin natin. Mag-join lang sa Twitter nila or follow yung Twitter account. Ayan. Medyo mabagal lang siya. Ayan guys. So, sa Discord naman is kailangan natin i-accept yung invite. Medyo mabagal dito sa Discord guys ha. So, if you don't have these accounts yet, you can also download or create an account para syempre mas mabilis kayong makasali sa mga diba, sa mga tasks, especially kung kailangan ng social accounts or kailangan silang i-follow sa mga social media accounts nila. So, click lang natin one more time and accept invite. Minsan sa Discord, ito yung pinakamatagal. And then after that, kailangan natin i-verify yung account natin. And then, click lang verify. Alright. So, now, click continue. Continue. Ayan guys. To continue, you must prove you are human. So, kailangan na natin i-encode itong code na nasa taas. 546 666 5 4 6 6 apat na 6. Ayan guys. And after that, ayan na. So, you have been verified. Now, let's go back to Kiwi browser. Ayan guys. Oops. Since tapos na tayo sa Discord, gawin natin ulit yung ibang task. Next naman tayo is sa Telegram. Ayan. Kailangan lang natin mag-join dito sa Telegram channel nila para, ayan. Click lang natin join. Oops. No one is allowed to send messages aside from moderator. So, since naka-join naman tayo, I think it's okay na. And then next naman is follow yung Twitter account. Ay, ang daming. Ayan guys. Dito guys sa Twitter naman mas mabilis lang siyang gawin kasi kailangan lang natin i-follow. Ayan. Since naka-followed na, oops. Let's go back to Kiwi browser or sa dashboard natin. Let's check kung na-add na. Ayan na guys. So, may kita nyo yung total earnings natin is already 15,000 points. And then, dito guys sa Dawn naman, sa peer-to-peer kasi if you're not familiar, so, marami na ang bumibili ng Dawn na mga points nila. So, yung iba kailangan pag may 200,000 ka na points, pwede mong ibenta kasi maraming bumibili dyan. Ang kagandahan lang kasi dito guys sa Dawn, basta naka-online ka, so ibig sabihin kahit tulog ka or nag-work ka, basta naka-online or naka-open yung internet ninyo, it will automatically earn points. Yan. Ayan, total earnings. Automatic na siya madadagdag dito sa earnings ninyo. So, you can also guys refer your friends kung may mga friends kayo na gusto rin sumali sa mga airdrops sa free crypto. Since free lang naman ito, pwede nyo rin silang i-invite and then, yan, click nyo lang yung refer a friend. And then, once your friends signed up using your referral code, you will earn additional points. Diba? Ang galing kasi kunti pa lang din ang nakakaalam kayo doon. So, para lang siya guys, Grass Network, Grass Airdrop at yung NodePay. Mabilis lang siyang gawin. Kailangan lang natin dito is naka-online palagi. Pag lagi kang naka-online, mas maraming points ang maiipon ninyo. Yan lang guys. And then if you want more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, you can also subscribe to this channel. And I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye-bye!